and welcome to day 9 of our Royal Caribbean Vision of the Seas cruise vlog. Today is our last day. It's not even a full day. We are on our way out actually. As you can probably hear over the announcements, the captain is calling all the luggage tags for people to leave.
Yep, so we have just finished packing up. We are going to head up to the Windjammer for our final breakfast here on board, and then probably to grab some coffee before we head off the ship.
We're not in any rush, we just have a hotel, which probably can't check in for a few more hours, but if you've been on a cruise, you know they make you get off very early.
They have a quick turnaround for the next set of guests that are on for the next sailing. So they want us off the ship so that they can get all ready for the next group. Grabbing our final coffee.
Last coffee of the cruise.
Final breakfast. Our final look at the room before we head out. Our plan is to go and sit in the Centrum just until they
really kick us out.
Make us leave the ship, because we are in no rush to get to Barcelona. Like we said, our hotel won't be ready for us until later this afternoon anyways, so we want to spend as much time as we can on the ship.
Okay.
Sitting up on deck 9 in the pool area. It's pretty quiet up here. I think most people are getting off the ship, so it'll be our turn pretty soon.
But custom sometimes takes a bit, and so does we have a cruise shuttle to take. So we're waiting for a few more people to leave before we head on.
Yes, we just passed deck 4, which is the Centrum and where you can get off the ship, the gangway, and it seemed very crazy, long line. Yes, so we're gonna wait it out a little bit since we aren't in a rush.
Okay, very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. At this time, all luggage tag numbers have been called. This is the final call for all of our guests that are still on board the Vision of the Seas to kindly proceed to the gangways located on deck number 4 ship at this time. We thank you for cruising through Caribbean. We wish you a safe and pleasant journey home.
That is the final call for all guests on board to leave the ship. I think that we are probably one of the last people on board still. It's about 9:10 and they've made that announcement twice now, so I think we better head down to the gangway and exit the ship. Sad to be leaving, but excited for Norwegian tomorrow. You ready, Rach?
No. Oh yes, actually I am. On to the next one.
All right, time to head down to the gangway. Feels like just yesterday we were going up the other side of escalators to the cruise. And I'm sure just tomorrow we'll be going up these same escalators. And we are off the ship and out of the terminal. I think we are going to be taking the cruise bus back to the monument in Barcelona so that we can walk back to city center to our hotel.
Just need to figure out where
the cruise bus is.
Yes.
Fun vision of the sea. See you never.
Oh, and not after an easy cruise bus shuttle. We are back in Barcelona.
It took us about an hour total from getting the cruise shuttle to getting into Barcelona. Just to the monument, not even to city center. It was just very busy today. There are 5 ships in port, so tons of people needing transportation into Barcelona. So we finally made it.
Getting onto the cruise ship with the cruise bus was super easy. There was so many of them waiting for us, but getting off was not. So we're just happy to be closer, at least to our hotel.
Yes. So we're now going to walk into city center, but that will be it for our Vision of the Seas cruise vlog. So thank you so much for watching.
Things are falling on us.
And we will see you in our Norwegian Epic cruise vlogs.
Be sure to like and subscribe for lots more cruise content.
All right, see you in the next one.